Hello, this is just an extension of sketching this Chewbacca sketch. I have it on a canvas board. I don't know exactly the size of it. This is the second time I've repainted this canvas because I messed up on the first one and the first recording didn't take. So anyway, I'm redoing it. And anyway, this is my reference photo. And this video is about showing how to blend your pencil if you sketch before you paint. I'm just taking a section of paper towel like this. I'm going to fold it up. It's rather simple, just how you would fold up any paper towel. But make sure you make kind of a tip like that, like you're folding up a paper football, right? Tip like that, like a blending stump. Here you can twist it if you want. Or you can bend it, anyway. Just depends on how you want to do it. Just keep rolling it like that until you have something like this, okay? So, let's go with the dark parts of his fur. Take the paper towel and blend. See how it does that? All you're doing is just pushing the pencil lead around. And what you're doing is you're creating a guideline of when you paint where your darker spots are going to be, where your lighter spots, where you're going to contour, where you're going to highlight. Kind of when you wear makeup, if that makes sense. You're kind of doing the same thing with makeup. And all you do, just go through. Trying to keep this. See? It's fairly simple. If you see any grooves in the paint that, from the canvas board, that's just for me because I repainted the canvas. I didn't want to go buy a larger one. But that's all going to be covered up with other paint. So, anyway. So, let's go to this part. Of course, this is not going to show as much because there's not as much pencil lead on here. So you take your excess that you already have on your paper towel and just kind of blend it into it. Press a little bit harder. And then he's got a dark spot over here, so we'll blend this. And work with these. All this is going to be covered up with paint anyway, so if you mess up, so what, right? That's one of the beauties about painting and about drawing. You can redo it. And there you have it. And bring the fur out a little bit like this. I realize the grooves from the paint's a little bit distracting, but that's okay. Let's make this a little bit darker up here. I'll need a better pencil. Whoa. definitely got the wind balloon look, that's for sure. Working this bit right through here. Okay, now just take this, blend it just a little bit. Not a whole lot, you don't need a whole lot. Okay, there you go. And I will make other videos of painting. And I will start with basic layers of paint. And maybe start with the dark layers first. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll just go with it. And you all have a good evening. Thank you for watching my blending video of Chewbacca and my sketching video of Chewbacca. Progress in painting of Chewbacca, painting number 2. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.